Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Babcock Davis number 25226 RH-KIT-CTD Spring-GRN. This is a replacement compression spring. This is a green code, which is related to its 90-pound capacity. And let's go over its dimensional properties. If you've got a Babcock Davis unit and you're looking for a spring that meets these requirements, or at least shares these physical dimensional traits, about 9 1/8 overall length, an outside diameter. Let's use the caliper for some of this. I would say that your outside diameter is going to be right at 1.568, so roughly 1 5/8. They say that the diameter is 0.225. My caliper says it's 0.224, so there you go. They have a variety of different springs that are rated for different compression requirements that are color-coded. There is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet that will allow you to review the different wire diameters, the different weight ratings, and the different color codes that go along with it as well. Okay. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Babcock Davis products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Babcock Davis 25226 RH-KIT CTD Spring-GRN replacement green spring, 90-pound, 0.225 wire diameter, or any other Babcock Davis product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.